For me, nature's one of the neatest things on the planet. So that's why me and Delilah started nature walks. Because we want everyone to know how neat nature is instead of just me and Delilah knowing it. That's pretty neat. How neat is that? When you're in nature, you need to always remember to pack a gun. I don't want to scare the animals. I just want to let them know that, hey, you're pretty neat, but I respect your distance. Go on. This is a natural oak tree. You can tell because it smells like oak. It's pretty neat. Make sure when you come out here you always wear bug spray and you watch where you step because you could trip over some rocks. Also, never come out here by yourself. Always make sure you are with a staffer so you can be safe. Because staffers are pretty neat. Always remember, if you come up to the cave, never climb on the rocks. And don't go past the rock that has the ichthus on it. That's not very neat. We have a lot of animals around here at camp, including giant squirrels, giant frogs, tiny T-Rexes, and snakes. I'm going to try to call out to them, and I'm going to shake up the earth a little bit, get it moving. We're going to call out to that boy. Ribbit! 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 Never going outside again. That's pretty neat. Never going outside again! Delilah, remember why we started this?
So you can lie to children!
No! Because nature is so neat!
It's not neat, you're lying!
Delilah, look how neat that is.
You're right, that is pretty neat.
There's only one place you can find all this neatness. Camp Joy. That's pretty neat.